Now,
yeah, it's right in there.
put this shutter here. Do I have to cut it right here or there, and I still have support?
You gotta see if there's something behind there.
Right.
It might be riding all the way out. Then you gotta replace that all back together. So this 2x4 back here,
Right.
it's riding right there. You gotta put another one on there. So all this gotta come back. This gotta come over. I think it's right. I think it's just a one back. It don't seem like nothing in here.
Yeah, it ain't. It's hollow.
What is that other one? Is that
Nah, it's one by fours there.
one back?
Yeah, it's one by
just
fours
sitting
that look like a
column.
yeah.
Like a support column.
Well, you ain't supporting that.
So if it ain't supporting nothing, we don't need it, right?
No, you just gotta see. Can't tell until you cut it out. It's got to go anyway.
It's warped, but yeah, you probably want to take that out and put a new, put a.
He don't want to go there.
Piece at the very top. It'd be a square block by like that.
Huh?
The shutter come on over.
Yeah.
You
Square
put a
block.
Yeah, and restart it down here if you want to. It's all right.
Yeah. Cause I'm trying to see, is that really needed? Or just this, well, I'm pretty sure it does. I'm pretty sure it does if you...
It don't support nothing but the rail.
Huh?
Yeah, but they could have went to the wall with the rail.
Yeah.
Or just leave the shutters all together. Well, you know what? You can just cut half that shutter off that goes into. You can make that work.
Yeah, you can do that.
Yeah, you can make that work. Just go on and do it like it was. You know, just a straight column down
The other side will cut off too?
Huh?
With one?
No, No, and just cut it on the right side instead, because they had it cut on the left side. Just cut it on the right side. See, they had it cut. Yeah, they had it cut on both sides. So might have to just cut it on the right side.
So you cut it on the right side. That means you'll come all the way to right here.
Yeah, might have
There ain't
to.
gonna be nothing to hold.
Yeah, ain't gonna be nothing to hold. So might have to cut it just like he had.
I mean, if you could cut it straight and clean, it'll look okay.
Yeah. That's probably gonna have to happen.
Real clean, straight cut. You can do that though. No, he know he can do this stuff. Yeah, I could actually run it with that little saw. We could put a line on that one. I run them more straight down through there. Yeah. But it's coming together though.
Yeah, it is.
Got that old line out of there
So
too.
you just got to take it off and see what's back there.
All right.
You might can leave it on.
Yeah. If so, just, if so, let me know.
Okay. All right.